In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add bullet points in Webflow to enhance your design projects. Bullet points are an essential element in web design. They help in organizing information, making text more readable, and drawing attention to key details. Whether you're working on a simple blog post or a complex web page layout, knowing how to use bullet points can significantly improve your content's clarity and impact. First, let's explore the simplest way to add bullet points by utilizing the built-in list element in Webflow. To begin, open your Webflow project and navigate to the Add Elements panel. Here, you'll find a variety of elements you can use to build your page. Look for the list element, which includes pre-styled bullet points, and drag it into your design area. With this element, you automatically get a structured, ready-to-use bullet list that you can customize as needed. Simply click inside each list item to edit or replace the text, making it perfectly suited for your content. Now, if you're looking for a bit more flexibility and prefer to use individual text blocks, there's another method you can try. Start by selecting a text block element from the Add Elements panel. Click and drag it into your page where you want the bullet points to appear. Begin typing your list items in this text block. To create bullet points, highlight the text and move to the Text Settings toolbar, which you can usually find at the top or side of the screen, depending on your layout. Locate and click on the bullet list icon. This action will transform your highlighted text into a classic bulleted list, offering a clean and organized appearance. For those who wish to take their bulleted lists a step further, Webflow allows for advanced customization options. With the list element selected, you can dive into its settings to change styles, whether it's adjusting the indentation or changing bullet shapes and colors to better match your site's design scheme. If you're comfortable with code, there's even more you can do. Using custom code, you can insert images or unique icons as bullets. This approach gives your list a personalized touch and aligns with your branding. Keep in mind when incorporating custom code to always preview and test your changes to ensure they display correctly across different browsers and devices. In summary, adding bullet points in Webflow is a straightforward process that can dramatically enhance your site's functionality and aesthetics. Whether you choose the simplicity of the list element, the flexibility of text blocks, or venture into advanced customizations, Webflow provides the tools you need to create visually appealing and effective content. By mastering these techniques, you'll be better equipped to present information in a clear, organized, and engaging way. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.